Girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money if you twerk. I don't really think you can twerk.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and welcome back to my friggity channel. Hold on, wait. I feel like my camera's not straight. Now it's straight. I feel like it's straight. Okay, now it's straight. So I usually always do hair reviews standing up. Yeah, I usually do. Yeah, but this time I'm gonna be doing it sitting down because you know your girl is tired. In today's video, like I already said, it's going to be a hair review. Okay, now I already opened up the package because I was hyped to see that it was hair, but I didn't open up the package for the hair. So once you take the little baggie out of the UPS packaging, which I think is so cute. Alright, first of all, alright. Before we even get started, if I'm talking weird or it sounds like my lips got worse, it's because I got my bottom braces. And this joint is so annoying, y'all. I just rather have the top, honestly. But okay, the reason why I opened up the UPS package to begin with is because I'm so used to hair coming in like a box or something. So when I felt this, I was like, whoa, is this clothes? But it ended up being hair, and I feel like this packaging is so cute. It's so different. I never got hair like this. So when you open up the little baggie, you will first see eyelashes, of course. These are actually cute. Like I said, y'all, I have a rack of these that I don't wear. So if you want them, let me know down below. Like, I have mad eyelashes that I get from companies that I don't wear. Hit me in the DM if you want them. On the real. Okay. I don't remember what I requested for from this company. I honestly don't remember. But it looks like... Ooh, they gave your girl Peruvian. Y'all know I love Peruvian. Oh my god, I love Peruvian so bad. Okay. So of course I have a 16. Oh, this is a 14. This 14 looks mad long. This is not no 14. Oh no. Y'all, this is 14. No way. This is not 14, y'all. This is so long. Wow, if their 14 is this long, oh, this would be my #1 hair company. Wow. Oh, this hair company is called, I'm sorry. This hair company, by the way, is called Wondess Hair. Am I saying this correctly? Yeah, Wondess Hair, basically. W-O-N-D-E-S-S, Wondess Hair. So I have 3 16-inch bundles and a 14-inch closure. But hold on. My closure, y'all, is longer than the bundles. So I feel like this has to be a mistake. Yeah, this was a mistake because the closure is longer than the bundles itself. But let's get into the hair. Let's open up the hair and see how this hair feels, smells, sheds, all that good stuff. Ooh, hard to get open. Okay. Now, whoa. What in the world just happened? I can't see all that static. Okay. Oh, I thought that was about the shed. Okay, so far it doesn't have that weird smell, because y'all, I have this the wig that I was just recently wearing. The wig smells so bad. Even the person I told to said, yo, your hair stinks, and I was like, yo, deadass, I know. Like, it smells like wet dog, y'all. I hate the smell of the wig, the hair itself, but this doesn't have that smell. It doesn't smell like anything. This is 16 on your girl. Y'all know 16 comes all the way down on me. Y'all know 16 is mad long on me. And the hair feels good. The wefts is thick. You already know. The longer, the thinner, the shorter, the thicker the weft. But the hair feels good. Oh, they did my favorite thing. I love seeing companies do this, y'all. Ma, can you... Oh my god. But I love when companies cut the ends, y'all. Do y'all see that? Look how blunt that cut is, though. Look how blunt that cut is. I love when companies clip the ends. Okay, now let's go to the frontal. I mean, the closure, because I'm kind of confused. Let me see how long I think this closure is, because I feel like it was a mistake. Let me see. And if you hear my family back, just ignore them. They, you know, like I said before in the video, they have no respect. Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm dumb. That's why I wasn't coming out. Oh, okay. Okay. On my wrist. Okay. Okay, okay. This is the, okay. This hair is so silky. It was falling all over the place. Yeah, that's another thing. This hair is mad silky, y'all. This hair is mad silky. Okay. 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 I'm jacking this closure. I'm jacking this closure. Oh, it looks good too. Like, it looks really good. It's not thick. Like, I don't like thick closures. I like thick hair, but not thick closures. Like, it looks good, y'all. Y'all see that? That looks good. And that's not even bleached. That looks mad good. And this hair was silky. And they clipped my ends for me again. They clipped my ends for me again, y'all. Okay, the closure, I just had one strand of shedding. That's it. One strand. So now let me see if I can figure out what length let me see if I can figure out what length this closure is, because I'm so confused. So let me see. Okay, so oh, they're the same length. No, I feel like the closure is probably like 18. Come on. The closure is 18. Yeah, the closure is 18. But like I said, it can be cut. It's not a big, it's no biggie. You feel me? Like, it's no biggie. It was never that serious. But overall, y'all, the hair feels amazing. Like, I'm not even lying. This hair feels so good. And y'all know I'm gonna always leave an honest review. Of course, it's not gonna be the only video that I upload about this hair, because I will be coming back. Because you guys know I can't stay black forever. I have to have color. Fall is coming, so I had to get rid of that orange blue wig. So orange, I'm bugging. I had to put that green blue wig away for a little bit. I'm gonna bring it back out, of course, here and there. Like, I always change up my wigs. This is my third wig for the week. But yeah, y'all know I'm gonna go ahead and color this hair. So in the second video, that's probably gonna be about me styling the hair. This is gonna be a wig, of course. I don't do sew-ins no more. I do all wigs. I'm not gonna make a video of me, yeah, I'm not gonna record me what you call it, making the wig, because I feel like videos like that takes a lot of time, and I feel like I already have enough videos about that. I mean, unless I come up with a new technique when it comes to make a wig, then by all means I will make more videos about it. But for now, I won't be making wig unit videos. That sounds right? I won't be making wig unit videos because, like I said, for right now I just won't be making wig unit videos. So most likely in the second video, I'm spitting all over the place. Most likely the second video will be about me styling the hair, probably gluing it. Well, I won't need to glue it down because it's a closure, so probably me just putting on the closure. Oh, if you guys want, I don't know if I ever showed you guys how I pluck a closure. I'm not sure if I ever showed you guys how I pluck a closure. Let me check real quick in my videos. Did I show you guys that? Because I pluck my closures to look like frontals, you feel me? I'm really getting into this hair stuff. Stop playing with me. Don't play with me. Let me see real quick. Okay, so no, I didn't show you. Okay, yeah, no, I never showed you guys how I pluck my closures. So that can be a second video about this hair. Yeah, that's gonna be a second video about this. Wait, yes I did. I showed you guys how to bleach and pluck closure. Okay, I'll do it again. It doesn't matter. I'll do it again. But that could be a second video about this hair. And then the third video will be, why am I telling you guys? But I already said it. So yeah, the third video will be me styling it, and you guys will be seeing the color. You guys won't see the color until the third video. But guys, so far I give this hair a 10 out of a 10 because the silkiness, oh my god, y'all, I'm sitting here playing with it. It feels so silky. I love silky hair. I just love silky bundles. You can't have stiff hair. You just can't have stiff bundles. So it's only right to have silky hair. So guys, go ahead, and they cut the ends for you, baby. You don't have no split ends. No split ends, baby. So go ahead, guys. I want you guys to check out their site. This is Wondess here. All their information will be down below. I got 3/16 and 1/14" closure. No smell, no shedding so far. So yeah, this company has me sold so far. Let's see. I pray to God it takes color great and everything. That is the end of this video. Enough chatting. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Word around town. I heard this boy was a clown. Swimming your bitch, watch her drown. All of my blood for the pounds. Wait, our future years right on my clothes. Bad bitch, yeah, watch it do coke. Broke as hell, used to sleep on the floor. I never do it no more. Telling you broke is no joke. I used to kick in that dope. Wait, now I'm selling out the shows.